Today in this video of Extranet files, we travel to the planet Arburia and discover the extinct civilization of the Arburian Pelarotas. Before its destruction by the Great One, Arburia was once a vacation spot for many species with many resources and an ideal climate. The inhabitants of Arburia lived in harmony. The only known inhabitant on this planet is the Arburian Pelarota, a Tortugan pillbug-like species with broad shoulders and a hulking figure, having a shell that trails down their backs and arms. Only 3 Arburian Pelarotas have ever been seen, those being Ben 10's Cannonbolt, Ben 23's Rollaway, and Gwen 10's version of the species. They are mostly white with black on their upper half and have 4 claws on both of their hands, having a color scheme and claws similar to that of a panda. Female Arburian Pelarotas appear to have a slimmer torso and pelvis. Arburian Pelarotas are covered in fur across the thickest parts of their body, with short fur on their elbows and knees. This fur is how they're able to navigate around while rolled up in a ball. The fur on their bodies registers the shifts in air and motion around them. They use this in tandem with their excellent hearing, allowing them to achieve something akin to echolocation. Pelarotas roll up into a ball. The back plates and plates on their hands cover them, while the plate on their shoulders become the sides of the ball. This ability is usually a defense mechanism, although seen on various occasions, it can also be used as an offensive maneuver. Now, no one's ever seen one, but there are Pelarotas who have migrated to the planet Vulpin, although this version of the species is very primitive compared to their extinct counterparts. Evolved Pelarota skin turns blue, as well as their shell, which hardens and grows spikes and bolts as well as fangs. These Pelarotas' biology is far more advanced than their devolved counterparts, and are immune to radiation, and although it hasn't been shown, it's been said that they can also shoot their spikes off of their shells like projectiles. In another timeline, Arburia is still in existence, being known as a peaceful planet just as its destroyed counterpart once was. These Pelarotas, although being much like their alternate dimensional counterparts, have a society much like humans. Young Pelarotas are taught in schools and are eager to spend time at the beaches on the planet. They also have gyrosphere-like vehicles and are very multi-galactic species, who mostly like to travel the planet of Kenet, where they gift Kenesilarans with technology to improve their speed. These Pelarotas' natural predator is the Arburian Carcharodon, which is a armored shark-like alien species having green skin, 10 eyes, 8 fins, and a tail covered in spikes with a mouth full of hundreds of teeth. Pelarotas love to spend time on their planet's beaches, but are sometimes being stalked by Carcharodons during their relaxation time. When fulminide DNA was leaking from the Omnitrix, Ben's transformations would sometimes be affected by this, causing them to become what's known as Omni-enhanced aliens. Ben's Arburian Pelarota form grew a large gray, blue, and green rock helmet around his body that completely covered his top and back, with blunt rock spines sticking out of it. While in their ball form, 2 trails of blue light followed them from the 2 spikes on their sides as they rolled. The spikes running along Cannonbolt's back can be fired out as explosive missiles as well. When equipped with Omnikic's armor, The plates on the backs of Cannibot's hands are now covered by larger green and black plating with white edges, resembling that of a turtle shell, with his claws exposed. With more plating that covers his forehead, two gray metal tubes connect from his midsection to his back. His thighs have gray armor, while his knees, shins, and toes are reinforced with white plating. Gray plating also runs down his spine, ending in formation resembling a short tail. With this armor, Cannibal is a lot more durable and powerful, being able to easily roll across water in his ball form, becoming a nearly invulnerable object. This universe is also home to Kevin 11's mutant hybrid Arburian Wrecking Ball, although not much is known about this transformation at the moment. Arburian Pelarotas are one of the biggest mysteries in the Ben 10 universe. There is so much we know about them, while at the same time so little. Thank you for watching this episode of Extranet Files. Watch out for the Carcharodons, try not to get rolled over, and I'll see you when I see you.